よし全開や。福間水す。
Good morning everyone. Today we are on a mission. We are going to rescue a cat for a friend. And here we are in front of the Kingdom Tower. And this is my girlfriend. Say hi.
Hi.
Last time I've tried this camera on a night setting, and today we are going to try it on a sunny setting. So now it's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are here in Al Uruba station because we're going to pick up a cat, and then I'm going to give it to a friend. So it's like just a rescue mission. And here I am. So this is the tallest building here in Riyadh. So this is the Kingdom Tower. Bossing, okay lang mag-video ako? Medyo nagbablog ako eh. Yo, good afternoon. So this is the cat that we're going to pick up. Boss.
Hey.
Kier. Kuya Henner. Anong pangalan ng pusa mo?
Star yan.
Star?
Dalawa na kasi pusa sa bahay.
Oo. Hi, Star. Mabait to?
Hindi na kasi kuhan, mga alagaan kasi lagi wala yung kuhan sa bahay. Nasa hospital kasi.
Oh.
Tapos, may bago siyang bago. May
bago siya pusa. Star, we're going to your new home. So guys, here's the cat and it's a mission success. Now we're going to grab a food because we're not eating yet. We're going to go to McDo. Let's go. Gummy burger. So now they have a like in the Philippines they give free toy. So now here in McDo in Riyadh they have Jujutsu Kaisen.
franchise.
Yeah, it's a franchise.
Okay, wait, Habib. Wait.
So you guys remember back in the Philippines when we used to have a Happy Meal or like in Jollibee, it's a kiddie meal. So this is like the kiddie meal here in Riyadh. It's a Jujutsu Kaisen. So what's inside? Let's see. So we have fries, the burgers, and of course, what is a Happy Meal without a toy? So this will be a surprise, and let's see what's inside. For me, I wish it's Megumi, the shadow guy, or maybe Gojo. Megumi or Gojo, that's it. Ano na to?
Oo, yung review sa video. Alam ko naman.
Crazy. Dapat apat na kinuha ko, kaya 10 sa isa. Pwede pa kayong bumili. Now is the moment. Let's open up the toy box. See what's inside. Megumi or Gojo. That's it. I don't like Itadori. It's like too much predictable.
Nagbablog si Kuya.
See? It's Gojo, man! It's a Gojo. It's like a bobblehead. See? This must be nice to put in the car. I got the best pick. I got the best pick. See, it's Gojo. Domain expansion.
Kamusta ang mga tita rin eh?
Parang state naman po ako kumain sa kaya.
Sa tita rin eh? Bakit? Bakit? Ba't ipapaano?
Domain expansion. Unlimited void.
Kaya ito nararamdaman. Then nakapagpapakain ng pagkain because I'm kailangan na.
That's it for today. Short vlog only, and now we're heading home. We're going to surprise our friend with this cat, and that's it. Kala, see you in the next vlog.
Baby! Look here! Star! Look here!